What do you have?
This.
What is that?
That.
Who's that from?
This.
Is that from Nana?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Wait a minute.
It's from Nana. And Pawpaw?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's nice. You gotta wait for your brothers, though. Put it back in there. What is that? Okay, put it back in there. You gotta wait for your brothers. Oh, no, you can't hold it. You gotta wait for your brothers. Put it back in there, Gabby. Put it back in there, Gabby. You gotta wait for your brothers. She's getting on hers. Hey, you. No, you can't open it yet. Put it back in there. Here, put it in here. Put it in there. Put it back. Wait, no, Gabby. I see. That's pretty. Tell Nana thank you. Say, Pawpaw, thank you.
Papa, Kiki.
Okay, now put it back in there. We gotta wait for your brothers.
Kiki, brothers.
Ooh, thank you, brothers. We gotta wait for them. Stick it in there. Stick it back in the box. Gabby, put it back in here.